Welcome back to CBL Does It All, guys. Today we'll be making some exotic food. We will need dried Mopane worms. Those are caterpillars. In French we call that la chenille, and in Lingala we call that Mbinzo. And those are the dry version one. We'll be also using some dried wood ear mushrooms. This is how they look like when they are all dried. And also we need some dried smoked fish, but we'll be soaking everything overnight into water. Make sure to soak them on separate bowls. I'm gonna do the 3 different bowls for the Mopane worms, and also for the dried wood mushroom, and also one other bowl for the dried smoked fish. Make sure that they are submerged underwater. So fill your bowls with water and let it soak overnight. And here we go. The next day, this is what they will look like after they are all back revived. Look at that mushroom. It was all tiny before we soaked that overnight, but now they're all back to life. So this is the wood ear mushroom, and they're really soft now. And this is the Mopane worm, the caterpillar. After being soaked overnight. They're very soft, and you can eat that right there. And our dried smoked fish. And we'll need to use some unsalted peanut butter. Some green onions, salt, garlic, onion, cilantros, 1 tomato, some chicken bouillon, black pepper, nutmeg, and olive oil. But I will switch to palm oil at the end because I wanted to add some palm oil. I will put some palm oil at the end. Just put your pan on the stove, mix everything together, put kind of like layer them down. Start with the wood mushrooms, and put some Mopane worms. Add a little bit of water, and then add your smoked fish. We're gonna add our chopped onions. our chopped cilantros and green onion as well. And we also gonna add our tomato. I just blend that with a blender and then add the tomato, and at the end we're gonna add water just to let it cook for about 30 minutes. Cover, let it cook for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, you will come back and then you're gonna go ahead and then mix it well. Mix everything well. And we're gonna add the rest of the ingredient: nutmeg, black pepper, salt, our beef bouillon. We're using the chicken bouillon, not the beef bouillon, but you can always use the beef bouillon if you would like. And a lot of garlic. And we're gonna have a couple tablespoons of our peanut butter, and again I am using the no sugar peanut butter. It's a natural peanut butter, and just add as much as you'd like. If you like your food to be really like soaked into peanut butter, then add a lot. If you don't like a lot of peanut butter, just add a little bit. I just added 5 tablespoons. And then just a little dash of olive oil. But as I told you guys, at the end I switched. I added palm oil and add a half cup of water into the mixture, and we're gonna cover that, let it cook for about 30 minutes. Minutes later, here we go. We have everything mixed well together. Just mix it well and taste if the salt level is good for you, and that will be it. Our food looks pretty much ready. And you can see the red in the pan. It's actually the palm oil. As I told you earlier, I switched from olive oil. I added some palm oil so you can give it a little bit of color because it was pretty white. Time to serve. be adding a little bit of homemade pili pili, and we're gonna serve this with some chikwang, which is the cassava bread, homemade. There will be also another video. I will show you how to make cassava bread. It's pretty easy if you do have a mixer, a blender. You ladies won't believe how you can make it in like 40 minutes. But there you go, our food is ready. You can eat that with cassava bread, which is the chikwang I just made there. And you can also eat that with fufu if you don't know how to make fufu. There is a recipe on how to make fufu. You can find that on all of my other videos. Et voilà, bon appétit. If you did enjoy the video, please remember to subscribe to my channel, CBL Does It All, and also click on the little bell icon so you can have notification every time I post something. You can always follow me on Facebook. I am under CBL Does It All as well. And also you can follow me on Instagram under CBL Does It All. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you so much for watching my videos. Bye.